All right, guys, check this out. It's got a bit of flake in it too. Like how you can still see the black through the silver a little bit. I was looking at like patina techniques and stuff, and they call this hammered. It's a painting style that kind of makes it look like you can see black through the silver. But yeah, turned out pretty good. I like it. It's kind of like a gunmetal too. You can see stuff reflecting in the paint too, which is nice. It's not even cleared yet. Okay, so got this thingamabobber. We'll put it on. It's for your turn signals and your hazards and stuff. Nice chrome little unit. Here, some signals, hazards. And just run everything down the column. I'm going to be putting my fuse box over here, so I'm just going to get everything pre-ran kind of. And I decided to go with these for some signal lights. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mount them on either side of the frame horns here. Should look all right. There, something like that. Nice, kind of hides in there a little bit. Should be good. And then I have my control panel here. We'll just ignore that. But yeah, that's what I'm going to use to kind of push button start and headlights and all that stuff on it. There we go. Now we got our speedo and everything down here. All of our start button, everything. Lots of room for your legs. Yeah, I'll just run it like that. And then I left a little bit of room here for cigarette lighter and some USB stuff, because, you know, you gotta have a ciggy lighter. So this is probably where I'm going to stop for this video here until I get my fuse box, and then we'll start doing brake lines and some plumbing and stuff like that for it. But yeah, it's coming along pretty good. That grill paint down there needs a bit of a touch up too. But yeah, still got to put that exhaust hanger on this side. At least she's got controls in her now. So. I got a filler neck for up here too. Connected to that keg, but all right, guys. Have a good long weekend. Stay tuned.
ba-da-ba. Ba-da-da.